The internet has changed the way we live and work, and it has also opened up new avenues for making money. The rise of remote work and the gig economy has made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to earn money from the comfort of their own home. Whether you're a student looking for some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent looking for a flexible job, or someone who wants to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, there are plenty of websites that can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 websites where you can make money online. These websites offer a variety of opportunities for earning money, from freelancing to selling handmade goods. We'll cover the pros and cons of each platform, as well as some tips for getting started. Before we get into the video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates whenever we post our next video. Thank you. At number 1 is Upwork. Upwork is a leading platform that provides an easy and secure way for freelancers and clients to connect and collaborate on various projects. The platform has a massive user base of over 12 million freelancers and clients from around the world, making it an excellent place for both employers and independent professionals to find new opportunities. One of the significant advantages of Upwork is the vast range of jobs that you can find on the platform. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or digital marketer, Upwork has opportunities for you. The platform also allows you to filter jobs by category, skill level, and payment range, making it easy to find work that matches your interests and experience. Upwork also provides protection for both freelancers and clients. For example, when a client hires a freelancer on Upwork, they must deposit the payment in an escrow account, which ensures that the freelancer gets paid for their work. Additionally, Upwork has a dispute resolution process in place to help resolve any issues that may arise during a project. This feature ensures that freelancers and clients can work together with confidence, knowing that they are protected. At number 2 is Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace that allows individuals to buy and sell services in various categories such as writing, graphic design, video editing, and programming. Unlike Upwork, where clients post job listings and freelancers bid on them, Fiverr has a more unique approach. As a freelancer, you create a profile on the platform that showcases your skills, services, and prices. Clients can then search for freelancers based on their specific needs and requirements and hire them for their services. Fiverr is known for its affordable prices, with most services starting at just $5. However, it's important to note that while Fiverr may not offer the highest paying jobs, it's an excellent platform for those who are just starting out in the gig economy. Fiverr also provides a level of security and protection for both buyers and sellers. The platform has a built-in messaging system that allows clients and freelancers to communicate directly and securely. Fiverr also has a resolution center that can help resolve disputes between clients and freelancers. At number 3 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards website that allows users to earn money by completing small tasks online. The tasks may include taking surveys, watching videos, searching the web, playing games, and shopping online. The platform was launched in 2008 and has since gained a large user base due to its easy-to-use interface and attractive reward system. One of the primary ways to earn money on Swagbucks is by taking surveys. The platform partners with market research companies to provide users with surveys on various topics. Completing surveys can earn you Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. The platform offers a range of rewards, including gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. You can also redeem your Swagbucks for cash through PayPal. Swagbucks has a low payout threshold, which means you can cash out your earnings once you've accumulated as little as $1. One of the great things about Swagbucks is that it's easy to use, and you can earn money in your spare time. While the payouts may not be huge, Swagbucks can be a great way to earn some extra cash while you're watching TV or waiting for an appointment. At number 4 is Etsy. Etsy is a unique online marketplace that provides a platform for artisans, craftsmen, and vintage sellers to showcase their products and reach a global audience. Etsy offers a range of handmade and vintage items, including clothing, jewelry, home decor, art, and more. One of the best things about Etsy is that it offers a great opportunity for artists and craftsmen to turn their passion into profit. If you're someone who enjoys creating unique, one-of-a-kind products, Etsy can be the perfect place for you to start selling your creations. Setting up a shop on Etsy is easy and straightforward, and you can start selling your products right away. Etsy provides an excellent platform for sellers to showcase their products, with features like high-quality product photos, detailed product descriptions, and customer reviews. The platform also offers several tools and resources to help sellers grow their business, such as marketing tools, analytics, and educational resources. If you're a creative person looking to turn your passion into profit, Etsy is definitely worth checking out. The platform offers a great opportunity to showcase your unique products to a global audience and turn your hobby into a thriving business. With its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support, Etsy is the perfect platform for artists, craftsmen, and vintage sellers alike. At number 5 is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk, is a marketplace where individuals or businesses can post small tasks or human intelligence tasks, HITs, and pay workers to complete them. These tasks can range from simple data entry and image labeling to more complex tasks that require specialized skills. M-Turk is an excellent platform for people who are looking to make some extra money in their spare time. It's easy to get started on the platform, and there are always plenty of tasks available. Workers can choose the tasks they want to work on and complete them at their own pace. This flexibility is particularly attractive to people who have other commitments, such as a full-time job or school. One of the best things about M-Turk is that it's a platform that's open to everyone. There are no specific qualifications or skills required to start working on the platform. This means that anyone can earn money on M-Turk, regardless of their educational background or work experience. However, it's important to note that the pay on M-Turk may not be great. Many of the tasks on the platform pay only a few cents, and it can take a while to accumulate a significant amount of money. Additionally, some of the more complex tasks require specialized skills, which means that they may not be accessible to everyone. In conclusion, making money online has never been easier than it is today, and there are a plethora of websites that offer flexible options for individuals who want to earn some extra cash or start a side hustle. It's essential to note that making money online requires effort, dedication, and patience. Success on any of these platforms will depend on your skills, expertise, and ability to market yourself effectively. Therefore, it's always crucial to do your research, read reviews, and understand the platform's rules and policies before signing up. The internet offers endless possibilities for earning income, and these 5 websites are just a few examples of the many options available. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a side hustle, or just some extra cash, there's a website out there that's perfect for you. Good luck, and happy earning! See you in the next video.